your ideal lifestyle as a content creator is not the vision that you have for yourself. I know you dream about leaving your 9 to 5 to work as a content creator online, doing what you love, having time, location, and financial freedom. But I'm telling you right now, boo-boo, it's not going to be that, okay? I'm currently not living that lifestyle. I'm not saying I am. I'm not monetized. Obviously, I don't have a lot of views, and I'm just starting in my journey, but I'm starting to realize a lot of the shiny object syndrome that I've been seeing on this platform, right? We have new creators that are coming, just like myself, just like you, who are trying to get ahead of the game, right? We have all this technology with AI, with Canva, and just different types of apps and things that we can utilize to make sure that we can have a step ahead of our competition, whoever our competition is in our specific niche, right? So people are making videos that are scripted, that have good titles, that have good thumbnails because of AI and because of maybe their own network. But it seems like everybody's doing the same thing. And I can attest to it. I've tried some of these things, and I'm just really looking at my content and I'm trying to make myself feel good about it. But at the end of the day, I'm like, there is something missing that I just need to make sure I don't miss out on that. And I think that piece that's missing is me being authentic, right? That's what this video is about. I'm not going to edit it. I'm just going to post it, and this will be my journal or diary. Maybe I'll be the only one that watch it. If not, please subscribe and follow the rest of my journey, because I'm going to try to figure out this YouTube game. But anyways, going back to that shiny object syndrome, you have these new creators that want to package everything so well and think they're going to blow up within the next 6 months to a year to 2 years, when I actually think it's going to be harder than that. It's going to be a longer game. It's going to be 5 years, 10 years before people blow up. I mean, obviously you have these outliers that blown up over time, right? You have Laura Acosta, who is the queen of LinkedIn, and everyone's trying to go to LinkedIn now to grow their platform and meet business owners or entrepreneurs or freelancers on there so they can make tons of money. We're all on here just to make money, right? And I think that message is being targeted to us, right? It's the wrong message, in my opinion. Like, what was the real reason why you wanted to start YouTube? Like I said before, time, location, and financial freedom. Okay, how can you do that with the skills and expertise that you have? That's like the core essence to what people do on YouTube. Now, all the flashiness of the thumbnails, the titles, the packaging, your team, if you build a team, the money you need to have to build a team, like it's a bit much, and the people are burning out. I'm burning out from just seeing all that content. And like again, I said, it's the content that I consume. I assume that you're consuming the same content because you're watching this video. But I really want you to take a step back, take a deep breath, breathe. I wrote that on the board. I need to get better with breathing and speaking. Maybe that will help me out in my journey. But take the time to really analyze what you want to do and how you want to give value and service the other person that's on the other side of this screen. Right now I'm using the phone, so the other side of the phone. And that will be the way that you grow or monetize or live that happy life that you so happen to envision throughout the years, I guess, working your 9 to 5 and being miserable. And speaking of that, I actually don't think a lot of people are miserable in their current job. I just think that the ideals that they had from being a child and growing up, it's like, okay, this isn't what I thought I was going to be doing. Maybe you had some hardships with family. Maybe you dealt with the wrong friends. You ended up in a situation that wasn't favorable. I mean, I have too. I started breakdancing in 2009 because I didn't have the greatest family household. So I found an outlet that allowed me to be happy and to be around my friends and kind of relieve stress in order to continue to build who I am as a man and yada, yada, yada. But you're not here for that. I'm just saying everyone has different hardships, and going through those hardships is what creates who you are, right? So you need to be talking about that. And somewhere in that underlining personification that you have about yourself, you have experience and skills and expertise that you can give to the other person who may resonate with your message, right? Now, that all goes back into, you need to have a package, you need to have a USP, unique selling proposition to monetize this and that. It's like, come on. It's becoming too much, right? And people are trying to get rich quick. There it is, get rich quick, doing and selling their expertise and their skills, which is nothing wrong. But I'm saying, if you're having a hard time growing, and if you're having a hard time getting views and worried about vanity metrics, this is not the platform for you. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. You can look down at the links below in the description of my stand store that I started to set up, because what's his name, Stephen Bartlett, and the guy who owns stand store, I think is Jay Hoovy or something like that. They're doing this online competition to bring someone on and give them $100,000. So I was like, oh, okay, let me be a part of that. Like, there's just so many different things that people can be a part of, and the democratization of content creation and being on media, right? This is a media channel. So if you want to grow on YouTube, you have to think about, okay, do I want to be in the media content creation career? Do I want to grow a media business? That's what this is eventually going to be. You're going to be the host. You need an editor. You need an idea generator. You need a marketer, someone who does ads, right? There's so many things that layer on top of each other. And I think, like I said, taking that step back and really analyzing what you want to do on here and how you want to give value will be the best way that you'll grow, whether it's quickly or steadily over time within the next 5 to 10 years. Excuse me. So yeah, that's my little rant that I have. Obviously I can continue on to different paths, but let me know if this is what you want to see, more authenticity like this. I'm actually going to post videos talking about how to grow your personal brand on YouTube. Let's see if that works. I'm going to use scripts that I have from AI that I don't take verbatim. Don't take verbatim ideas from AI. Use it as a tool to enhance your ideas, and then write things out to see if it works for you. I'm going to use certain scripts to help micro creators grow online, and hopefully that aligns with you. But one thing I want to leave you with is breathe.